2012, that's just a legend. And it's not going to happen. Now, the Birdpocalypse, that will happen. So, if you couldn't guess by my intro there, tonight's review is The Birds. You know what, let's actually close this window. It's for one thing, it's cold, and I'm worried a pigeon or something is going to crash in here. There we go. Okay, so The Birds follows Tippi Hedren, who plays Melaine Daniels. She meets someone in a San Francisco bird shop and helps him pick out 2 lovebirds for his sister's birthday. She ends up tracking him down to his home in Bodega Bay. Just around the same time, a bird invasion starts happening. Don't you hate it when that happens? You go somewhere when something bad is happening at the same time? And from there on, it's basically a sort of monster movie in a way. But birds attack the small coast town in Northern California, and chaos ensues. Okay, so with the exception of Jaws, what is it about The Birds that separates it from other animal horror movies? Well, for one thing, being directed by the master of suspense Alfred Hitchcock helps. The one clever thing about this is that it's just not a full-out attack from the birds. Like, they state in the movie that the birds follow patterns. Like, there are some times where the birds just straight-out attack people, and then there are other times where the birds are around in a place where there are people, and they're just there. They don't do anything. This helps because it builds suspense of when the birds eventually do attack. Like, you just act calm. Maybe they won't agitate you, and then boom, they go everywhere and attack and kill people. In the way that the John Williams score in Jaws helped build suspense whenever you don't see the shark, this movie relies on no score at all. I can't even remember if there was any piece of music in this movie, even like through the radio. But I mean, it helps that there is no score because it just makes you feel like you're there. Much like with Rear Window, how all the music came from Jimmy Stewart's apartment. There is no score for the birds, so you feel like you are actually in that world, and you feel like you're getting attacked by the birds in a way. And I was thinking to myself, what would the movie have been like if there actually had been a score? And I have a feeling that if there actually was a score for this movie, it would have made it sound like a B-horror movie and not all that scary, because again, the authenticity of the movie seems to come from the lack of a score. Overall, it really is a Hitchcock masterpiece and probably the last great movie he made. It's really well acted. Again, it's suspenseful. The ending is up there with Planet of the Apes in the sense that it leaves you with a very uneasy feeling and makes you go, whoa. In the end, 5 stars, and with that said, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye. Wait a minute. Before I actually go, I should probably mention something else. No, I have not seen this movie, but I've seen a trailer for it, and oh boy, I have a feeling I've got some shit to say once I actually see this movie. But until the time comes, again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.